You do not need prior experience to start freelancing or join any of our classes. Yung Blogimery Mentorship Program is designed for beginners. So yes, even if this is your first time learning about virtual assistants or online work, pwedeng-pwede kang mag-join. Now, halimbawa, ang experience mo lang is mag-post para sa sarili mong business and you're kind of thinking, maybe there is something that I can do apart from my e-commerce business. And sa tingin mo, kailangan mo rin ng tulong sa sarili mo negosyo, I would highly recommend social media management and marketing. Let me tell you why. Meron kaming mga mentees before when we were just starting to offer SMM na meron silang online business and at the same time they do affiliate or content creation. Ngayon, ang napapansin nila is that yung mga contents nila hindi masyadong napapansin. If you want your post to actually get seen, social media management and marketing might be the best class for you. At ito ang pinaka-juicy. SMM isn't just about posting. It's posting smart. You have to learn how to plan content, engage your audience, and grow yung brand online. Yung SMM class namin, 999 pesos lang siya at may kasama ng internship kung saan i-guide kayo step by step, ituturo namin sa'yo yung skills na kailangan mo and we will help you take real action. So you can go from confused to confident without overwhelmed. Kung gusto nyo guys mag-join, i-click nyo lang yung link sa bio ko. Pagkatapos piliin nyo yung SMM or mag-comment kayo dyan ng SMM and we'll send you over the link. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow from our work from home chismis and we'll see you sa classroom. Bye!